ladies and gentlemen, the local time is now 4:35 p.m. So we have landed about half an hour before our scheduled time. Please remain seated and keep your safety belt fastened until our captain has switched off the safety belt signs and the plane has come to a complete standstill. And when opening the overhead lockers, please be careful so that items won't fall out. You may now switch off the flight mode on your handheld devices. And on behalf of the entire crew, Finnair and the One World Alliance, I hope that you have enjoyed your stay with us today. Thank you, goodbye, and we are looking forward to see you soon on board Finnair again, and have a nice Sunday evening. Ja jos jatkat matkasi lentäen Lontoon Heathrown lentoasemalta, seuraa lentoaseman violetin värisiä Flight Connections-opasteita ja jatka suoraan lentosi lähtöterminaaliin. Tarkista jatkolentosi lähtöportti ja terminaali lentoaseman näytöitä. Perille selvitetyt matkatavarat siirretään automaattisesti jatkolennolle. If you have a connecting flight from London Heathrow, please follow the purple Flight Connection signs and proceed to the correct terminal. Check the terminal and the gate number from the airport monitors. If your baggage has been checked through to your final destination, it will be automatically transferred to your connecting flight.
We can prepare for gate arrival. Thank you.
Cabin crew, take your door positions.